Would you like to know if you've been hacked? Keep watching to find out. You don't need to be a cybersecurity expert to find out if you've been hacked. In this video, I will show you how to check if you are a victim of a data breach and what to do if your email and password has been breached. A data breach is a security incident that exposes confidential, sensitive, or protected information to an unauthorized person. Identity theft occurs when someone uses another person's personal identifying information like their name, ID, or credit card number without their permission to commit fraud or other crimes. Criminals use stolen login credentials to break into accounts. Account takeover could be costly if the hijacked account includes payment details. One way hackers profit from stolen data is selling it in masses to other criminals on the dark web. The buyers can then use this data for their own criminal purposes. Many organizations and big tech companies have faced some serious data breach over the years. Companies like Yahoo, eBay, Uber, Facebook, and Twitter has faced some serious data breach. Here are some of the biggest data breach till date according to Trend Micro. The one place that comes to mind when talking about breach data is WeLeakInfo.com. Apparently, the website has been seized by the FBI. Hey, but don't worry much. Here are some really great alternatives to WeLeakInfo.com. The first I'm going to show you is a website called HaveIBeenPwned.com. To check for breach data, to see if your email has been breached, simply enter your email here. Let me enter an example email. Whoa, 33 data breaches. Wow, this is terrible. So here are the sites the breach occurred from. These are the sites that were breached. These are the companies that were breached. Wow. Adobe in October 2013, Apollo in July 2018, Blank Media Games, Canva, Collection, Data Enrichment, Exposure from PDL customer. Wow. Dubsmash, Edmodo. This is terrible. LinkedIn. Okay, let's try another email. Let's say bstuff@examples.com. These are just example emails. These are not real email addresses. Good news, no pound. Okay, this email hasn't been breached yet, so it can't be found in any breached data. So the next I'm going to show you is Firefox Monitor. Firefox Monitor is a great place to find breached data. So similar to HaveIBeenPwned, all you need to do is enter your email address here. So Steve at example.com and click check publish data. Okay, it's asking for a password, so let me enter a password. How old are you? Let's say 25. Let's check this. Yeah, and create an account. Okay, please enter the verification code that was sent to steve@example.com. So apparently steve@example.com is a fake email, so I'll be getting the verification code. So just try this out. Use your own email and get the verification code and see if your email will be found in a breached data. If your email address has been compromised in a data breach, it would be wise to change your login password for your email address and for the service which was affected by the breach. Ideally, you should never use the same password across multiple websites. When creating a strong password, use a mix of upper and lower case letters, numbers and symbols. You can also use password managers like NotPass, cybersecurity, and -lane, so you don't need to remember all of your different passwords. So, did you find this video helpful? Let me know down the comment section. This channel is relatively new. I will be uploading some really cool ethical hacking videos every week on this channel. If you find this video helpful, please like and share to others, and ensure you hit the subscribe button and the notification bell button to be notified every time I upload a new video on this channel. You can also follow me on Twitter and Instagram